Good morning, it's David from August University. Beautiful snowy day in Canada. Just want to give you guys a shout and see what's going on my channel. Looking to upload a few videos this week for you guys. Now, what's going on with the markets? It's been pretty horrid, let's be honest. Downwards motion, everything going on in the world. Hex has been like pretty much all-time low in the last year or so. It's down from its previous all-time high at 0.5. Now, I'm not giving in to any FUD or drama or anything like that. I still believe that Hex has a long way to go and it will continue to move forward. We will get back in that positive momentum again. As people are waiting for a pulse chain, people are still don't know what's going on, still trying to decide what's happening. Ethereum gas fees has been lowered, so transactions right now are about $20. You know, the cheapest I've seen it in a long time. So I do predict as we move forward with Ethereum 2.0, there will be a question of whether, you know, pulse chain is required, let's be honest, because if Ethereum gas fees are cheap, pulse chain isn't necessarily as needed as when the Ethereum gas fees are like $100, $200, $300, right? That being said, I still think that pulse chain has a lot of utility because it will actually cost pennies for gas. So long term, I'll turn off my vehicle there, windshield wipers. But yeah, I'm not concerned really. I did sacrifice for pulse chain. I did sacrifice for PulseX. I do believe in what Richard Hart is doing. I do not agree with him on the fact that NFTs are worthless. So that's a clash of opinions there. That doesn't mean anything. I'm still a long time Hex holder. And this time I've been flipping NFTs. I've been, you know, mining, staking NFTs. So that's something different. I'm not sure if you guys are into that, but I am. And I'm staking NFTs and getting some nice value out of it. And then I'm gonna, you know, facilitate some of those gains towards more Hex. So you guys got to use your own strategies. I'm gonna use mine. At the end of the day, don't get wrecked by selling on the cheap. So things are super low right now for Bitcoin, Ethereum, most cryptocurrencies, as well as Hex. Don't panic sell, guys. You guys can do whatever you want, it's your stuff, but what you should be doing right now is accumulating as much assets as you can, working harder, flipping stuff, online business, whatever you got to do to accumulate more of your favorite assets right now. So if it's Hex, you know, this is the cheapest it's going to be in a long time, in my opinion. Try to buy as much as you can. Get a huge bag and then stake it, or just, you know, kind of keep it there. And as people panic, if you stake a long stake, then what happens is you're going to benefit from that, because as people emergency unstake and panic, you're going to reap those rewards. But if you want to just keep it liquid, you can do that too. But for me, I'd like to accumulate a little bit more Hex right now on these prices. But like I said, I'm doing a couple different things right now. So the message I'm trying to come across to you guys is don't freak out. There's a lot of turmoil and things going on in the world. But mindset, you got to stay positive. Mindset, be around positive people. Don't stress yourself out over things that you can't control, and just focus on what you want, what you need, and what you'd like to accomplish. And that's priority, right? So keep grinding, keep moving. Myself personally, I'm just looking to, you know, accumulate as much as I can when it comes to assets, and then hopefully invest more into Hex while the prices are down. And yeah, that's it. I am doing a lot of NFT stuff. Like I said, I am still mining helium of the miners going. It's not accumulating as much as I would like, but it's still passive income regardless. So if you guys want to see videos on helium, let me know, comment down below. Tell me what you guys are doing in these times. I was looking at the signals indicator in the 4-hour chart. It looks like we are at a strong buy right now for Hex. So things are looking up. On the day chart, it has not flipped to bullish yet. So just keep that in mind. It might take a little more time. But you know, these, like I said, these are the cheapest prices you will probably see this year. That's just my opinion. It could go a little tiny bit lower, but they're super cheap, guys. It's super cheap. So hopefully you guys are well, everyone on my channel. And this is David Wynn, August University. And yeah, that's all I want to say today. And you know, if you can, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see regular updates. I still believe Pulsechain can, you know, 500 to 1000x or higher. I still think that PulseX sacrifice is going to yield some great value if you guys got a chance to sacrifice. I sacrificed for both, but there's still a lot of unknowns when it comes to the two different Hex on Ethereum and the Hex on Pulsechain. I just don't know what's going to happen, but I guess the best strategy would be, since it seems like Pulsechain's almost done, is to accumulate as much Hex as possible so you get your duplicates. All right, like I said, subscribe to the channel if you did not already do so. Please hit the like button, and yeah, until next time, stay bullish, guys. Don't panic, and I'll see you guys in the next video.